Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mathematical Appetite. And as we are looking the second PUC model papers of Karnataka board. So in the last video we discussed about the 1 mark questions model paper 1, and today we will be discussing about the 2 marks questions model paper 1 released by state board, Karnataka state PU board, and we will be discussing that. I hope you're liking and enjoying the videos. Yes, of course, it is very useful for the Karnataka PU board students, and I am solving this. And anyway, the people who are new to my channel, hi, this is Chiranjeevi. I am a maths teacher. So today we are going to see the model paper 1 with respect to the PUC second PUC board mathematics. So already I have discussed 1 mark model paper 1, and today we will be discussing the 2 marks of model paper 1. Okay, so next question, they are asking to find the integral of 0 to pi sine square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx. With respect to dx, we need to do, it's just simple. So here we have 2 and 2, right? Just take it as common. So 0 to pi, we have sine square x minus cos square x dx, isn't it? So what is sine square x plus cos square x? That is 1, right? So can I write sine square x as 1 minus cos square x? Just shifting this. So this one I am going to substitute here. So what's going to happen? That is 1 by 2 into 0 to pi. So for sine square x, I will be writing 1 minus cos square x minus cos square x dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 integral from 0 to pi. So 1 minus cos square x minus cos square x. So this is going to become, I am going to add this because we have same sign. That is 2 cos square x dx. Okay. So we have the trigonometric formula cos 2x is nothing but cos square x minus 1, right? Cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus 1. So minus cos 2x can be written as 1 minus cos square x, right? Cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus 1. So here minus cos 2x, I am going to interchange, I will be getting 1 minus cos square x. I will be writing here, so it will become from 0 to pi 1 minus 2 cos square x can be written as minus cos 2x dx. So what's going to happen? 1 by 2 minus out. So I'm going to integrate. What is the integration of cos 2x? We have sine 2x by 2 from pi to 0. The upper limit is pi and the lower limit is 0. So that is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into sine 2 pi by 2 minus sine 2 into 0 by 2. Okay, applying the upper limit sine 2x by 2 minus applying the lower limit here. You know what is sine pi? Sine 2 pi? Sine 2 pi is almost 0, right? So this is going to become 0, and even sine 0 is 0. Also this is going to become 0. So the entire thing will become 0. So minus 1 by 2 into 0. So this is going to result as 0. So the integral from 0 to pi sine square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx is nothing but 0 when we apply the limits from 0 to pi. I have your understanding? Yes? Yeah. We'll go to the next problem. Next problem, we have integration of x into secant square dx. So whenever we get like this, then we are going to use the integration by parts method. What is integration of parts? So we have integration of u into v dx, that is nothing but integration of u into integration of v dx minus integration of d by dx of u into integration of v dx the whole dx. This is integration of parts, right? So this is integration of parts. So what we'll be doing here? Here we'll be taking this as u, this as v, right? So that is nothing but x into integration of secant square dx minus integration of d by dx of x into integration of secant square x dx, the whole dx. Okay, just u into integration of it. This is integration by parts. So this is integration by parts. And also you should use the ILATE rule. Okay, what is this ILATE? ILATE means it is inverse, logarithms, algebraic, trigonometry and exponents. So whenever you have the product of such the functions or the integral, right? So whenever you have this, right, so then you need to consider that order. First, if there is some inverse, you need to consider that as first, then logarithms, then algebraic, then trigonometry, then exponents. So here I have considered this u and v because algebra is first and then the trigonometry. So first I am considering x as u and secant square as v. Okay, so now I am going to do this. See, x into, what is the integral of secant square x? We know differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So then integration of secant square x dx is nothing but tan x plus c, isn't it? So the derivative of tan x is secant square x. So integration of secant square x dx is equal to tan x. So I'll be writing here, that is tan x minus integration of, what is the derivative of x? It is 1 into, for secant square x it is tan x, right? So tan x dx, right? X tan x minus integration of tan x dx we got from here. So what is the integration of tan x? Integration of tan x dx is nothing but ln of secant x plus c, right? Ln of secant x. So we are going to write x tan x minus ln of secant x plus c. So this is the answer for integration of x into secant square dx. We have used integration by parts. You have to remember this, that is u into v, integration of u into v in this form, then u into integration of v dx minus d by dx, integration of d by dx of u, the first term, into the integration of the second term, the overall integration. You will be getting this. Okay, yes. Next question, they are asking that there is a differential equation y triple dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0. They are asking us to find the order and the degree of this differential equation. So for this differential equation, the higher differential thing, okay, higher order derivative in this differential equation, if you observe, which is one, y1 is the first derivative, y double dash is the second derivative, y triple dash is third derivative. Higher order derivative is y triple dash, right? Isn't it? So therefore the order of this differential equation is 3, right? So now the higher order is y triple dash. If you see the power, I can take like this. The power for the first derivative, the second derivative, third derivative is 1, right? So this, if it is 1, then the degree of this differential equation is 1. So for this differential equation, the order is 3 and the degree of this differential equation is 1. So we are not going to handle second degree differential equations. Okay, next question, they are asking us to find the projection of the vector. A vector is I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap on the vector B. So the projection is happening, okay, of the vector A on the vector B, that is 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. So projection of A vector on B vector can be given as, how we are going to do it, 1 by the magnitude of B vector into A vector into B vector. This is the formula, right? So the projection of A on B happening. So that is 1 by the magnitude of B vector into A vector into B vector. First let us find A vector into B vector. So we have A vector into B vector is nothing but what is A vector? We have I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap into what is B vector. So we have 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. So that is equal to this is the A vector dot B vector. So we are going to multiply. So whenever we multiply I that is the unit vector with respect to x, the unit vector with respect to y, and unit vector with respect to z, then this I, j and k is going to vanish. So here the coefficient is 1. 1 into 7 is 7 and I is going to vanish. So plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Here j is going to vanish. Okay, and plus into plus is plus 56. So what's going to happen here? So A vector into B vector dot product, we are doing it right. So we'll be getting so we'll be getting 7 minus 3 plus 56. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 56 is 60. So A vector dot B vector will be getting as 60. But also we need to find the magnitude of B vector. How to find the magnitude of B vector? Just square the coefficients of I, j and k with respect to B vector. So here we have 7 square plus minus 1 square plus 8 square. For B we are taking, since we are taking the magnitude of B, that is nothing but root of, so 7 sevens are 49 plus 1 plus 64. So that is nothing but what happens, root of 60 plus 40 is 100, 109 plus 4 it is 114 plus 1 we have it, so it's 114. So we have B vector as root of 114. Now according to the projection whatever taken, what is the projection? We have B vector, A vector on B vector, right? That is nothing but 1 by the magnitude of B vector into the dot product of A vector and vector. So that is nothing but, so A vector into B vector is 60 by the magnitude of B vector is root of 114. So this is the projection of A on B vector. So this is the answer for this problem. I hope you are enjoying, and this is very interesting and simple problems with respect to 2 marks. I am doing it for model paper 1. Okay. Next question. We have find the area of the parallelogram. They are giving area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vectors. They are given 2 vectors. It is A vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap, and B vector is 2i cap by 7j cap plus k cap. Okay, this is the 2 vectors representing or determining the 2 sides, adjacent sides of a parallelogram. So we need to find the area of the parallelogram. So if you take with respect to A vectors, we have a vector like this. Okay, we have vectors like this. If you consider the parallelogram, okay, let me take this as A, B, C, D. I am going to consider the parallelogram A, B, C, D, and let this be A vector and this be B vector. So these are the adjacent sides of parallelogram. If ever I want to find A vector to B vector, then what will be doing? So A vector into B vector. I'll be taking A vector into B vector. So that is the thing about the determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap, and the first vector I'll be having 1, minus 1 and 3, and second vector I'll be having 2, minus 7 and 1. Solving this, I have I vector into minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus, so minus 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21. I'll be having minus j cap into, I'm excluding this, so 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 3 is 6. So plus k cap into, only excluding this, so 1 into minus 7 is minus 7, minus of 2 into 1 is minus 2, that is going to become plus 2, right? So that is equal to I cap into, what is minus 1 plus 21? It is plus 20, minus j cap into minus 5 plus k cap into minus 7, and plus 2 is going to become minus 5. So this vector is going to become 20 I cap minus into minus plus 5 j cap minus plus into minus minus 5 k cap. Okay, so this is A cross A vector into B vector we have. Okay, so this is A vector into B vector. Okay, so this we have found out. If at all we find the magnitude of A vector into B vector, then we will be getting the area of the parallelogram, the entire area of the parallelogram. So for finding the magnitude, always the magnitude will put it in the modulus symbol. So magnitude of A cross B is just the coefficient of I, j and k, you are going to square it within the root. So 20 square plus 5 square plus minus 5 square, that is equal to root of, what is 20 square? It is 400 plus 25 plus 25, that is equal to root of 450. If you further simplify, you will be getting some number. You can keep it as it is, root of 450, or you can further simplify. So this is square units. Okay, so this is the area of the parallelogram. When they give vectors, we can solve like this. I hope you are understanding and enjoying. Okay, the next problem we have here is find the equation of the plane with the intercepts 2, 3, and 4. Okay, on the x, y and z axis respectively. We need to find the equation of the plane. How will you find the equations of the plane when they give the intercepts? So you will be familiar with the intercept form of equation of a straight line, all these things, right? Yes. So here, if we take the equation of the plane, we will be getting x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Yes. So this is the intercept form we have, isn't it? Yes, so we have x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So now they have given the intercepts 2 in the x-axis, 3 in the y-axis and 4 in the z-axis. So here in the x-axis it is 2, so a is equal to 2. We can take a is equal to 2 because in the x-axis it is 2. So in the x by a we will be getting 2, obviously a is equal to. Similarly b is equal to, we will be getting plus 3 because on the y-axis the intercept is 3. So b is 3 and c is equal to, we have the intercept as 4, right? So a, b, c will be getting. So as a result, the equation of the plane, this is the formula for the equation of the plane. Just substitute this and find the equation of plane. So x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4, that is equal to 1. For 2, 3, 4, what is the LCM? We are going to take it as LCM, right? So it is 12. So 2 into 6 into 6, so this is 6x. 3 into 4 into 4, this is plus 4y, taking LCM. I hope you know how to take LCM. 4 into 3 into 3, This is 3z, that is equal to 1. That implies what's going to happen? 6x plus 4y plus 3z, that is equal to 12. Okay, so this is the equation of the plane. Okay, just by giving intercepts, we can calculate the equation of the plane. The equation of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. I hope you understood. So this completes the 2 mark problems of model paper 1. So in the next video, I'll be coming with 3 marks, 4 marks, all those things, video by video. I hope you enjoyed this, you learned the concepts. Anyway, I'll be doing other mathematical videos also. We'll soon have many beautiful concepts, okay, so that it helps you. Thank you. If you like this video, like it, share it and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It motivates me, and I'll come up with more beautiful and more great mathematical videos for you people. Thank you. Have a great day.